not the greatest angle. Anyways, we have class in 15 minutes. I woke up at 7:30. I slept at 2, so 5 hours of sleep. Love that for us. So yeah, doing skincare right now. This is a lot more than I usually do. I think it's just because it's the first day of the spring semester. Usually I wake up 5 minutes before class. This is different. It's kind of nice. I might have breakfast for once. I think I might actually change out of my clothes. That doesn't make sense. I might change out of my pajamas because I'll be just in my pajamas 24/7. Here. I did my nails, by the way. Since I don't have clinical right now. What's up, guys? I'm done class for the day. It was really long. I had 2 3-hour classes. So I have class basically every day. This is a proper shot of the henna that I did. My freaking nail art. It looks so bad. My dad brought this textbook that I got from Kijiji. This is for my peds class and maternity or OB or one of those, I don't know. But look how big this textbook is. For my class, in 12 days for my course, for my peds course, we are reading 30 to 53. So love that for me. Something really exciting that I want to tell you guys about. I feel like I'm announcing like, oh my gosh, I'm collaborating with Morphe and we're releasing a palette. What's exciting is I got a car! Ta-da! Yeah, it's super exciting. This is my first car. Never had one. I always had to share a car with my parents and my brother. So, and it's more than what I could ask for. All I wanted was a car that could move. Point A to point B, that's all I asked for. And she's giving more than that, so I'm very pleased. We're gonna head to Dollar Tree. The camera quality is hitting. We're gonna get a few things for the car and we're just gonna go for like a test drive, I guess. See what the car is giving, if she's giving smooth. This is what my keychain is looking like, but I think I might change my lanyard and I might take this off because this is a lot going on one key. But yeah, I don't know.
Songs.
Oh, it's beautiful. No, I'm redoing that. That was so ugly. Go. Okay, are you recording? Okay.
Then this is really my car.
Yo,
That is such an unappealing sound.
Yeah.
What the frick?
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy, driving to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
We just got out of Zola Shree. My first impressions on driving this car, it's so smooth. I'm like floating while I'm driving. But the thing is, it's a sedan and I've been driving vans and SUVs for the past like couple years. So I'm not used to driving a sedan anymore. I feel like I'm lying down while I'm driving because it's so low. But otherwise,
It feels like you're hovering.
yeah, literally. Wait, why is it so tight?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why is it outlining my face?
Why is it
What
so
the-
tight? That looks so dumb.
Oh my god, it's just...
I literally looked high and low for a charger. Nowhere sells affordable lightning cables. So I had to go to Dollarama. So I have a bag of masks. I'm cutting that out.
Yep.
Leave in the car. I think I'll put it right
Oh,
there.
there's masks.
Okay, and then I have some lotion. This is really old. But
Very...
Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, driving to left you out, but it all comes down to you. You're my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it.
Second is to apply some of the theoretical
Stare at the rain on the window. I feel the tears coming soon.
as well as
You're lying next to me,
so I'm going to be
and I guess I've been lying too. We had a fire that became smoke. Breathed it in till we both choked. Thought that love could be enough for the both of us, but we know that just ain't true. I found a courage today.
this is so chaotic.
Please don't ask me.
I'm out of breath. What is it? A 1 minute timer?
It's like 145.
For like 30 seconds.
Please don't ask me to stay, 'cause I can't keep holding on to you and me. But it's so hard to see how I'll stop loving you, loving you, loving you. There will always be a little piece of you that's left with me.
Someone
That keeps on
incognito
loving you,
mode.
loving you, loving you.
So if you want to multiply first, multiply fractions. What do you do when you multiply fractions?
Okay. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Why is it
Wait,
pink?
how do I know when to stop?
When it feels right. What?
I don't think that's a good indicator.
Catch. I can't believe you're athletic once in your life.
Well, it was a long time ago.
all stood back.
Nah, you won't be closing it like that. No, you won't be closing it.
You have to drop it.
You have to, yeah.
I'm scared. Though.
That was a little bit much.
Is often common relative to an abrupt
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow it down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Calculating all the aftermath. Now a nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my dreams. Concealing all my doubts, I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with doubt. I hear you calling my name, the feelings we couldn't contain. Falls that we had were made, there really no one to blame. My ashes that came from flame. I trust you, but now it's a raise. If I could, I'd call you, I'd tell you I need you. I wouldn't know what else to say, but who do I call if it ain't you? It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling. 'Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine.
Okay, hi guys, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing right now. So I'm taking my notes right here and I'm organizing it into a table. These are like all the upper respiratory conditions that we need to know. So I'm putting it into a table and I'm filling in my knowledge gaps with the textbook, but mostly just going over the slides. Yeah, that's kind of how I'm studying for this exam.
Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still could stop us.
Yeah.
It's hard to imagine
guys. I have to drive 2 hours to get my mask fit test done because they don't have any sites in my city, so yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm not driving this time because I'm just gonna study in the car. I'll see you guys there.
Talks and you listen. Coconut spread down the business. Said I'm drawn to you, just can't get enough. Question mark, a mystery, even wanting some more. Caught me at first sight. I know.
Yeah, but Mother's Day, they're doing something.
What's up for better? Pardon me, where are my manners? It's a pleasure to meet you. Can't help it in my